What do today's executives think about our current business environment and what's ahead in 2018? We asked. And nearly 1,700 C-suite executives from mid-sized companies across 47 states told us what's on their minds. In a word, business leaders are optimistic. The strong economy, tax reform, and a more constructive regulatory environment have strengthened their focus on business growth. And with that, they're looking for more resources to move forward. Head economist for commercial banking Jim Glassman gives us a closer look.
In 2018, we're seeing optimism on all fronts. Optimism that's at all-time highs. The number of executives who are optimistic about the global economy more than doubled from last year, while confidence in the national economy surpassed even local and company performance.
Why the rise across the board?
Tax cuts and regulatory reforms are important drivers, as is synchronized growth in the global and U.S. economies. The majority of businesses expect to benefit from the new tax law to some extent. When it comes to using their tax savings, top priorities include paying down debt, spending on capital expenditures, and increasing wages. Plus, today's business leaders are significantly less concerned about government regulations slowing their growth. It's the first time we've seen that since we began surveying executives in 2011.
So just what are businesses concerned with right now?
Revenue and sales growth continue to be number one. However, it's down for the second year in a row. In contrast, dealing with a limited supply of talent and managing labor costs have both become more challenging.
With growth on the mind, it makes sense that plans to increase hiring and compensation are continuing to trend upward.
Finding the right candidates remains a struggle, though, partly because of the skills gap, but even more so because there aren't enough people applying. Not surprisingly, 2/3 of businesses have said they're making changes to help attract a younger workforce, from offering flexible hours to improving benefits to providing more training.
To recap, optimism for 2018 is high. Taxes are down, regulations have been reformed, the economy is expanding. And as companies expect to grow and be more profitable, many are making changes to find the right people. Want a complete look at the results? See additional breakdowns of the data, trends, and more at jpmorganchase.com/business leaders outlook.